The current trading volume of Avalanche slide is 113,662,906, and in every way that really matters large way Avax price streaks show signs of bullishness on a 7-day price graph. In an unpretentious way Avax US dollar medium TRM support really stayed at 13.68 and in every way that really matters large way Avax EMA 10 shows an all-around descending pattern in a kind of significant way. July 20th, 2023. In this video, we'll show you how to figure out how much an Avalanche slide will cost right now or in the next week. We'll try to answer as many of these questions as we can. What is very short TRM in terms of cost expectations for Avalanche slide is a vaccine that works very well. Venture really in spite of prevalent thinking Avalanche slide support and obstruction levels, and so on in an unpretentious this manner. However, prior to jumping commonly profound into the Avax specialized examination especially let us discuss the fundamentally current economic situations which in a real sense shows that Avax cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost graph. In an unpretentious manner market examination over the truly last 24 hours there basically was a ruin of 1.84 bringing the for the most part whole digital currency market to 1,190,985,483,416 in a by and large enormous manner. The kind of all-out exchanging volume especially remains at 31,315,169. 8449 exhibiting that however prior to jumping kind of profound into the Avax specialized investigation explicitly let us in every practical sense discuss the extremely current economic situations which truly shows that Avax cost streaks indications of foolishness. On 7 days, cost graph, which for the most part is genuinely critical Bitcoin has 49.89% of the entry market, while Ethereum has a strength of 16.33%. Which led to Bitcoin's price dropping to $30,584.92 after a loss of 0.29, which is really important. During the past 24 hours, the value of various digital currencies, like Ethereum, has gone down by 0.24 to 1882.48. This shows that the value of various digital currencies, like Ethereum, has gone down by 0.24 to 1882.48, in a quiet way. While the value of BNB exchange has gone up by 0.42 to 246.58. This shows that a change in value of 0.42 in the same time period shows that a change in value of 0.42 XRP, a type of local currency, has gone up by 0.1 and is now worth 47 cents. The value of the BNB traded at 246.58 after a change of 0.42 in the same amount of time, which shows that the US dollar's real medium-term support stayed at 13.68, which is very important. After losing 0.77 of its value, Coco's BCX fell to 60 cents, which is a big sign that the market is going down right now. All over the crypto market, bad things are going down, which is very important. Avalanche slide support and resistance, in particular, are important technical indicators used to find key price levels where a trend can turn in a different direction, which is usually very important. Support is a price level where buyers usually stop the price of a coin from falling any further. This means that the total trade volume stays at 31,315,169,849. Before getting too deep into the Avax review, let's take a look at the economy as a whole. This shows that Avax price streak shows signs of bullishness on a 7-day price chart. Similarly, resistance is a level where sellers get strong and usually stop the coin's price from going up. Torrential slide execution. The current price of torrential slide is 13.21. With a trade volume of 113,662,906 and a huge number of people buying and selling it beyond 24 hours. Which usually means that Avax price run shows signs of bullishness on a 7-day price chart, which is very important right now. Since yesterday, Avax's market price has gone up to $45.67, $328, $725 US, putting it near 0.16. This is a really big drop in value. A look at how much AX costs examination for July 20th, 2023 inside a very day-to-day time period most certainly made sense of underneath. So similarly, opposition in every way that really matters is a level at which dealers fundamentally become move sort of dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from moving essentially higher. Incredibly, we utilize fundamentally relative strength index RSI moving fundamentally normal combination and uniqueness, MACD backing levels obstruction levels different time span moving midpoints, including especially straightforward moving sort of normal SMA and outstanding moving sort of normal EMA, to especially break down the future development of the Avalanche slide pretty further appearance. How yet prior to plunging extremely profound into the Avax specialized examination, truly let us basically discuss the especially current economic situations, which generally shows that Avax cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost graph in every practical sense significant way, while of AX as Williams percent our marker generally is at 46.057 for the 14-day time span, showing an impartial condition. An exchange in every practical sense signal is possible at this point, showing how the Avalanche slide value examination of AX price examination for July 13, 2023 in a buy and large day-to-day time span makes sense under so much competition. This is a point where traders become very active and stop the coin's price from going up, or so they thought when they bought the Avax United States doll. Union and difference, the MACD line is going below the signal line, which means bears or heavy on the downside. As the BTC price gets ready for a bull market in 2023, traders say, get ready. Bitcoin. Traders who are watching two key trend lines say that the market is getting ready for its next bull run in a classic way. Mustache and Titan of crypto, two well-known traders, recently looked at social media and found that the BTC price was about to break out. The bull market line for Bitcoin looks for a classic crossover. Titan of crypto says that Bitcoin's price cycles are very similar to those of the past, and that the time is almost right for a bullish rise. By uploading past price data, he drew attention to the 21-week simple moving average, SMA, which is currently at $27,900, according to Cointelegraph Markets Pro and TradingView. Once this upward sloping trend line goes above the spot price range, a long period of rising prices follows. This is why the 21-week simple moving average is called the bull market line. Titan of crypto said that what was happening was a bull market kickoff. Once the weekly 21 MA crosses over the BTC market structure, it will kick off the bull market, he said. 4 years ago, in early 2019, Bitcoin had its last MA cross.